Today, French Cuisine Fun Facts presents the following dish, la tarte tatin. Et voilà! We owe its name to two sisters, Stéphanie and Caroline Tatin. The legend says that one of the sisters started to bake an apple pie but realized that she had forgotten to put the dough in the mold before the apples. Oh my! However, running out of time, she decided to go on baking the pie. She put the dough over the fresh apples, and put the whole pie in the oven. Yeah, why not? Another legend says that Stephanie would have knocked the pie out of the oven. Wanting to make up for her mistake, she would have picked up the pie and served it upside down. Yeah, why not? This dessert is commonly served in breweries and restaurants. It can also be served with a cup of vanilla ice cream. Yeah! So, for making the tarte tatin, you need apples, sugar, puffed pastry, butter. Yes! Yeah. Thanks for liking our videos. You can also follow us on French Cuisine Fun Facts on Instagram. Thank you. Bye. See you. We will be making other videos.
Created using Powtoon.